Welcome to the second lab in AI-900. Here we're taking a look at vision as we did in the module. And we're here in our pre-configured lab environment or pre-created lab environment. We're just going to start configuring it right now. All right. So let's create a resource. And let's look for Azure AI services. And then we get two options here. We're currently interested in the left-hand side, the one that has the cloud icon. And we can create an Azure AI services plan here. So we're going to put our subscription or our account into resource group 1. I'm going to use East-US. I'm going to call it something like deepdives-eu AI East-US, right? The pricing tier we're interested in is the standard. So let's just create that. Forgot to click the checkbox by checking this box. So let's create that. And that was created fairly quickly. Okay. So next up, let's go over to Vision Studio. So Vision has its own UI here that is then using Azure resources. Do log in if you haven't, right? I'm already logged in here, so I don't need to do that. And then select the resource, right? So I had previously created a resource in East-US 2, which is not compatible with the lab instructions that we're trying to do. So we're going to select the one in East-US instead as the default resource. And now we can go back to taking a look at Vision Studio. And here specifically, we're interested in a use case where we add captions to images. This is that one. So first of all, yes, I acknowledge there's going to be a cost regarding this. That's cool. I'm going to download some images. These are given in the GitHub instructions, right? That's done. Yeah, it's there. Okay, so let's just extract all. All right, let's get rid of you. And now upload it. And the one that we wanted is store camera 1.jpg. Right, so here you can see a preview of the image that we just uploaded. Okay. And then it automatically started to do, a caption for it. And the caption that it got was a woman and a girl in a grocery store. That seems fairly accurate to me. Right? So let's go back. Then we have the option of doing dense captioning here. There we go. And let's use the same picture, right? Store camera 1. Open. Again, it'll give you a kind of a preview. But now it gives you plenty of attributes here. Like, so we have a woman and a girl in a grocery store. That's kind of the whole picture. But then we have a kind of a subsection of the picture that is a woman smiling while holding a phone. That's correct. Could also be a person holding a phone case, like if you only look at the finger and the phone without seeing that it's a woman. We have a woman wearing a purple hat. I think it's a girl, but yeah, kind of if you take away the other person, you don't know what height they are, so they're just a woman based on the length of the hair. And then kind of again, a woman holding a cell phone to a girl in a store. Yeah, that's correct as well. A person holding a piece of ginger. Oh, that's actually, I didn't even see that in the first place. A close-up of a person wearing a purple hat. Yeah, it's similar to a woman wearing a purple hat, but now note that it doesn't show the long hair anymore. So the kind of the woman dropped off. A woman smiling at a cell phone. That's another kind of view of it, right? So if you kind of take away the other person, then it might be that they're just reading a funny meme on, I don't know, on whatever social media people are using nowadays. And then we have a totally different subset, right? So just a row of jaws on the shelf, like just disregarding all of the people in here. That's okay as well. And then here we have a blurry image of a person standing in the room, right? That's not very helpful, but it's there, right? So the front, so the nearby items in this picture are blurry because they're not focused, as the focus is on the person in the background. But we only get a piece of it in this particular subsection. So there is quite a lot of interesting stuff happening here. So let's go back. Next up, we're supposed to use extract common tags from images. Okay, let's see. Let's just pick image analysis so we limit the amount of hits a bit. Extract common tags from images. This one. And then we have multiple models that we can try out here. So there's one pre-created one. So let's use that one. Okay. And our language is going to be English. And now we're going to use another picture. Store camera 2. All right. So let's see what happened. So this is the picture preview again. And these are the attributes that were detected in this particular picture. So yes, there's clothing, there's a person, there's a convenience store, retail, supermarket, right? It's fairly relevant. Yeah, all the way to, I don't know, marketplace is kind of maybe a stretch, right? But yeah, so that works. So we can find tags. This is a predefined set of tags. I don't know if it tells you this somewhere here. No, this particular model has a specific number of predefined tags that it tries to either find or that it tries to find from a picture, right? And then it gives you the confidence score here. So it's really confident that there's clothing in this picture. Let's go on. We need object detection. Try to find that in here. Object detection. Detect common objects. Yeah, this one. And then again, we're going to use a pre-built model here. And then we're going to upload a picture. And this time we're going to use a different one again. Picture number 3. So here's the picture. There's a person in a supermarket. Kind of makes sense. The difference here is really that we have this threshold value available to us, right? So person and supermarket are fairly given. And then if we kind of move the threshold over to a larger number, then we only want the stuff that we're really secure about, right? So this time it's just a person. And then if we kind of put the threshold all the way to like a minimal value, well, we only still get two given attributes here. Well, it's fair enough. But yeah, so that's that use case. So this is everything that we have planned for in this lab. Again, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for listening and looking at it, and see you in the next one. Till then.